What is datafication?
Datafication is the process of converting various aspects of human activities and the physical world into a digital data.
What are the examples of datafication?
Examples are a fitness tracker turning your steps into data, a website tracking your online activity, a self-driving car collecting data about its surroundings.
What are the benefits of datafication?
Datafication can help us make better decisions, improve efficiency, and create personalized experiences.
What are the potential risks of datafication?
Datafication can lead to privacy concerns, bias in data analysis, and data misuse.
I kindly request you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and please like and share our content. You can also show your support by clicking the thanks button below the video. Thank you.